Hey guys, we received this Miroddi men's credit card holder with Find My for test and try. It's a Trifold card wallet with tracker. So it's like a minimalist men's leather wallet with the RFID blocking credit cards and also a Find My thing. So as you can see, it comes in a really nice gift box. So it's good to gift to someone. And it's a Trifold. As you can see it here, very nice a card holder and the wallet. So from the side and the stitching, this looks really nice. From the back also you can see like feels good. So there is a identity pocket card and then also the RFID blocks here. You can easily put in your cards and everything. It also has a outside card lock. So this is the Find My card and you can just on and off. I will show it. So it's also can be charged wirelessly. So say like you have to put on this wireless charger. You can see the indicator is on now. And also you can see inside here that indicator. So on and off switch is here. Once you on it, you can easily recognize on your iPhone, and you can see like my iPhone recognize it. You can give the name, and then you can easily continue and put something. So you can also here you can find my with this sound, and then also have this charging port. See the charging indicator is on, so you can easily see it from here as well. So very nice set with the multiple cards thing that you can hold. So ID card slot, 1 to 5 internal card slots, and hold up to 6 cards and some cash. So minimalist design, but nice to have it with the Find My app, and you can easily see the noise and the sound, and you can find it anywhere you want. So very nice wallet.